guys, Melissa here again, and I want to share another one of my favorite time-saving tips with you. And this one is practicing the 3 C's. What are the 3 C's? Whenever you're working with pets, you always want to maintain being calm, cool, and collected. And so when you're working with the pets, you want to maintain an attitude of aloofness with the dogs, and you want to be friendly but aloof. And dogs can get really jazzed up if you start talking in a high-pitched type tone. And so if you just minimize the amount of chatter that you have with that pet, maintain a friendly but an aloof attitude, guaranteed it's going to go a lot further for you. You're going to win the trust and the cooperation of that pet a lot faster. And you know, if a pet starts to do something that you really don't want them to do, correct an undesirable action before it gets out of control. And to me, one of the most overused words in a dog's language is the word no. So I always come up with some kind of a sound that means or indicates to the pet, cut it out, don't be doing that. And a lot of times it's just something sharp and quick. A sound sometimes, not necessarily a word. And I want to make sure that I am going to use that sound early on before an action becomes totally out of control. So be aloof, be friendly but aloof. Stop an undesirable action before it goes out of control. And remember that there is absolutely no place for frustration or anger when you're working with animals. And it doesn't matter whether it's a cat, a dog, whether you're, you know, I work with horses a lot and we use the same thing. You know, there's just absolutely no place for frustration or anger with a horse either. So it's going to carry through with all animals, and I'm sure it's going to carry through with kids too. Now, I don't have kids, but you get what I'm saying there. So always, always maintain the 3 C's when you're working with animals. Calm, cool, and collected. And don't try to be a hero. Not every animal that comes into our salon is groomable. You always want to maintain safety for those pets. And so, you know, sometimes you got to turn something away. So don't try to be a hero. Maintain those 3 C's at all times, and your day is going to go a whole lot smoother for you.